members, Miss Nikki here, and welcome back to Virtually BGCMC. Today, we're going to be making origami tulips. Let's get folding.
Hi members. In order to fold your origami tulip today, you're going to need 2 pieces of origami paper, one for the flower and one for the stem. For now, let's just focus on the flower. To start with, you're going to want to have your paper pattern side up, and we're going to do a vertical and horizontal fold. So first we'll do the vertical. Take your paper, you're going to fold it. And then we're going to open it back up, and then we're going to fold it up top. So take your paper, fold it down, make sure you crease nice and tight, and then open it back up. And now we're going to flip it so that it is pattern side down, and you're going to fold on the diagonal. So let's start with this corner, and we're going to pop it up and fold. And then we're going to open it back up. And then we're going to fold this corner up. And crease. And then open it back up. And now you can see all the folds that you made. What we're going to do now is we're going to take our horizontal fold and we're going to fold it down. When you hold it, you can see that each side is popping up just a little bit. And what you're going to do is you're actually going to be tucking that in. So we're going to take this and we're going to tuck in. Tuck, 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 just like that. And then we're going to do the other side as well. And tuck, tuck, tuck. And then you have your triangle. And now you're going to see that you have these 2 flaps on either side. You're going to take this and you're going to do what's called a kite fold, and you're going to fold to this middle line that you created, up and crease down. And then you're going to take the other side and you're going to fold up and down. And then you're going to flip over. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Take this corner, fold it to the midline, and down, and fold it to the midline, and down. Now what you have is a square. And what you're going to do is you're going to take this open part, the fold, and you're going to fold it across so that these crease lines will be tucked on the inside. So fold in, see, no fold, and flip it over. And do the same thing. Find that, crease, and fold. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna have 2 sides. One side has a point, just here, and then this side is slightly open. You can see the flaps. That's the side we're gonna work with. So now we're gonna do another kite fold, but we're gonna crease to the middle again. And we're going to do that on the other side. Just try to be gentle with it. It's a lot of layers of paper that you're dealing with. And flip over. And fold again. And fold one final time. Now you'll have this on either side. Now comes a little bit of a trickier fold. You're going to open up one side of the triangle fold, and you're going to take this side and you're going to gently feed it in. And you see, when you do that, this becomes 3D. And you're going to take it, you're going to flip it, and you're going to do the same thing. You're going to open up, and you're going to gently put the other side in. And it's okay if you do this slowly. Take your time. It's not a race. And there you go. You'll see that you have another 3D side. And now you can see these little points up at the top. And if you can see that, you have a hole. You're going to blow into that hole so that you can push this down and make the flower 3D. See? It's okay. If things come out like that, you just gently feed them back in. Hold them in place for now. So you're gonna take this and you're gonna blow into it. And as you can see now, everything's puffed up, and I'm gonna gently push down so that it becomes a little bit of a solid square bottom. And you can see that popped out again, and we're just gonna gently move it a little bit so that it goes back in. So again, you open it up, and just gently put that back in. Okay, so now you have a top and a bottom. This is your bottom. This is the top of the flower. What you do now is you're going to gently peel back the tulip petals. So these little points, they're the tulip petals. So holding the bottom, 2 fingers, you're gonna take a tulip petal and you're gonna slowly open it up and turn, and slowly open it up and turn, and slowly open it up and turn. The final petal, open it up, and there is your tulip. We're not done yet. We're gonna set this aside and we're going to make our stem. So to make the stem, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our paper, and the green side we're gonna face onto the table, and we're gonna make 1 diagonal fold. Doesn't matter which side, but you're gonna make 1 diagonal fold, and make sure you get that crease. And you're going to open it back up, and you're going to fold this corner to the midline and this corner to the midline. Crease in this corner and crease. Now it'll look like this. Now you're going to do another kite fold to the middle, and you're going to take this corner to here and this corner to here. And the next side. You can take as long as you want with this, it's totally fine. And now it looks like this. And we're going to do 1 more kite fold, but on this side. We're going to take this side, fold it in. I'm going to take this side, and we're going to fold it in. And now it will look like this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to fold this in half. We're going to take this point and bring it to this point. So now the top is this large flat piece, and the bottom is a little bit skinnier flat piece. Now, what you have is you're going to take this mid fold and you're going to fold it in, and the skinnier part is going to be your stem, and the thick outside part will be your leaf. So I'm going to flip mine over, and what you're going to do is you're going to open a little bit, and you're going to grab hold of your stem, and you're going to grab hold of your leaf, and you're going to gently pull the 2 slightly apart and push. And then you're going to take this, you're going to gently pull the leaf so it fluffs it out like that. And now we're going to take our flower, and you still have that hole. We're going to feed the stem into the flower. And there you have it, members, your very own tulip. We'd love to see your own tulip flowers. Put them in the comments below or send them to us at virtual@bgcmc.org. We hope you enjoyed this, and we'll see you next time. Bye.